Top 6 Best Cordless Impact Wrenches 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. 260 foot-pounds of torque. That's the Porter Cable PCC 740LA's headline for a cordless impact wrench. This half-inch impact wrench delivers serious power for heavy applications, driving large fasteners quickly at 1650 RPMs. Its hog ring design makes socket changes fast. You get precision control with the variable speed trigger, backed by a pro-grade lithium battery. It won't tackle the absolute toughest industrial jobs, though. If you need extreme torque, this isn't for you. But for most automotive or construction tasks, it's a powerful option worth looking up. Number 2. 1,180 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. That's the power this Makita XWT-08 delivers. This brushless cordless impact wrench truly excels at heavy-duty tasks, offering 740 foot-pounds fastening torque. It's compact at just 9 inches long, with a 3-speed selector for precise control. That high torque means it's overkill for lighter jobs, though. For mechanics or construction pros needing serious muscle in a cordless impact wrench, this Makita kit is a top contender. Its brushless motor provides long life and efficiency, too. Number 3. 1,400 foot-pounds of max breakaway torque. This DEWALT 20V Max cordless impact wrench delivers 1,030 foot-pounds fastening power, ideal for heavy-duty work. It includes the battery, charger, and kit bag. You get precise control with 4-mode speed settings and a variable trigger. Precision wrench helps prevent over-tightening. Battery guard reduces wear. It's overkill for lighter jobs, but for demanding applications, this brushless high-torque 1/2 impact gun is a powerful, ready choice with a 3-year warranty. Number 4. Powerful motor, hassle-free accessory changes. The Ryobi 1 Plus 18V cordless half-inch impact wrench is a solid pick for robust fastening power. It comes as a kit with a 4.0 AH battery and charger, making it ready for tough tasks. You'll appreciate the powerful motor, delivering rapid material removal and the convenience of onboard wrench storage. However, that rapid material removal phrasing could suggest it's not ideal for precision work. For general automotive or home projects, it's a dependable cordless impact wrench. Number 5. Extreme runtime for heavy-duty jobs, that's this Craftsman V20 cordless impact wrench. Its 20V Max 4-amp battery uses high-energy cells for improved power. The 1/2-inch hog ring anvil makes socket changes quick. It's built for demanding professional applications on the job site. Just note, the charger sells separately. This impact wrench is a solid pick for consistent, powerful work, especially if you already own a Craftsman V20 charger. Number 6. Its high torque conquers stubborn bolts. This Milwaukee 2767-22 fuel high torque 1/2-inch impact wrench is purpose-built for rusted fasteners. You get a complete kit, including 2 battery packs and a charger. This cordless impact wrench also boasts a compact design for tight spaces, and its rubber grip ensures comfortable use. While powerful, it's likely overkill for light-duty work. For serious jobs needing reliable power, this impact wrench delivers. Thanks for watching Best Cordless Impact Wrenches. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.